Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying the stabilizer rating vs your equipment so you don't undersize it. Mismatches cause overheating. Once confirmed, switch off the main breaker and wear gloves and goggles. Now identify the input, output, and earth points on the cabinet and read the phase labels. Next, strip wires to specified length and tin ends to prevent fraying. You should use insulated tools and a tight torque on terminal screws so connections stay secure under load. You now attach the mains live, neutral, and earth to the input terminals, matching phase markings precisely. This ensures the auto transformer senses correctly. Once done, route short, heavy gauge conductors to reduce voltage drop and heat, crimp ferrules for reliable clamps. Next, connect the equipment load to the output terminals, confirming phase continuity with a multimeter. Make sure every screw is torqued to spec so vibration won't loosen connections. After wiring, label each cable so you can trace it quickly later. You finish by closing the cabinet and switching the mains on while watching the stabilizer meters or LEDs for correct output. This verifies regulation is active. Then apply a typical load and monitor voltage stability, audible noise, and temperature for several minutes. If readings drift or you hear humming, turn off power and reinspect phase wiring, earth continuity, and terminal torque. If problems persist after tightening and swapping suspect leads, call a qualified technician. Faulty components or incorrect internal settings can cause.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.